an avocado tree in our front yard. Isn't that lucky of me? I have all these lemons to make it, and all this stuff to do it, and that is all the stuff. Now let's cook. So, if you want to make guacamole, you have to have 10, which I do not have. Now we always squeeze the lemons. You always squeeze it, all because make sure all the seeds don't even get in there. Uh-oh. And you have this when there's seeds. All right, everyone. So do the lemon again. Take it out. Another lemon. Take it out. Another lemon. And this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, all these lemons have to be safe in here. All the lemons have to get thrown away when you're done cooking this. All the lemons have to be thrown away when you're done making guacamole. You always make it with the lemons first and then the salt. Salt with the lemon and salt and okay, that stuff for this lemon is gonna be here in a moment. Is that Eli? Now we should do this and take it out and do this. Yeah. It's really good. You should try to make this. Only watch this video. If you're watching this video, that is great for you. You haven't seen it? Oh, sorry. But I'm gonna make more. You just have to see all my videos. So, we're back and we're done doing the lemons. Now we are in the avocados, which I already did. Now we should put it all in this bowl. Now we mash it up with this fork. all mashed. So now it is mashed. So guys, now we're gonna mash up a little bit of this. Oh, whoop! Some came off. So now let's add this lemon pepper to the lemon. So add all of it. Now we mix it. What am I gonna mix it with? A spoon? Okay. Now it is done. So now let's put it in here. This avocado. Oh, then next is the salt. So now let's put the lemon. Now salt. So all of that is clear. So now mash it again. So we added more lemon pepper, and now we're gonna add the onions, and now we only should get a handful, which is this much. So now we mix it. Now it's all mixed up. Now, should we add another handful or no? All right, guys? Which one?
What do you want to do?
One more handful. There's none to be a handful. Now, this is a handful. Sure. Scram. Scrams. So now we're gonna put the pits. So my grandma said if we don't put the pits in, it will turn brown. If we put the pits in, it won't turn brown. So let's put it. Now mix it. But I bet we're gonna feel all the hardness of it if we don't find it, so we don't mix it. We mix it, we won't find it. So now let's smell it. All right, everyone?
I think it's a taste test.
That smells good. So now let's do the taste test.